Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share a project that's turning head in the crypto world. Asset Finance, the ideology coin. The initial amount of supply should start at zero. Here you can check it out. The per token price 0.021 USDT. Act is the people, age of act 3 years, 3 months and 28 days. You can also check it out their volume, their supply, holders, market cap and CoinGecko ranks right here. Next we have their chart. Here you can see their chart and further details like 24 hours low, 24 hours high, 24 hours volume, watch list and their transaction history right here. You can also check their tweets right here, and you can also buy these tokens right here, and you can also sell these tokens right here. You simply copy their contract address, write it on your wallet and buy these tokens. Next we have their pre-sale. Their pre-sale end in 89 days, 12 hours, 14 minutes and some seconds. You must join their pre-sale. Here you can check their total USDT amount and their USDT amount for 90 days and further details like volume, royalty, warrior, battle and furthermore. Next we have their warrior contract. Here you can check it out their contracts. You can also buy these tokens on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, DexTool, DexScreener and furthermore. Here you can see their social platforms like their Telegram community, their Twitter account, their Facebook page and furthermore. You must join their Telegram community for the latest update, and you can also follow them on Twitter and other social platforms. The ideology coin, the initial amount of supply should start at zero, as I already told you about this. You can also check their latest news. The price of ACT experienced a significant downward trend over the past 24 hours due to the contact selling pressure across all price ranges, despite frequent buy orders during dips and the swap efforts by ACT Warrior to stabilize the price. The immense selling pressure had. Like this, you can check it out their further post. This is an outstanding project. Now back to the website. Here you can read their terms and condition and privacy policy. ACT started from zero initial supply through the contract of creation by those who want to hold them through a smart contract. All holders shall provide the valuable assets in making of the creation contract, making every asset created forever valuable. Next we have their Warrior Club. You must join their Warrior Club right here. Exclusive royalty for ACT Warriors. Get royalty reward according to the terms specified in the smart contract. Gain voting right to equally influence the direction of future project of asset. Get priority access to participate in various activities organized by asset. Next we have their royalty reward. Royalty reward based on the amount of asset accumulated from the smart contract. Exclusive privileges for ACT Warrior. Here you can check it out the privileges like General, Colonel and Marshal. Here you can check it out the details. Stake 300 USDT via smart contract to join asset, $10 war and gets 1% royalty reward via asset. The reward will be provided after completing the contract with asset.finance at a specified percentage. No cancellation or changes are allowed. Like this, you must invest 600 USDT via smart contract to join Colonel privilege, and for joining Marshall, you must invest 900 USDT via smart contract to join asset. Here you can check it out the calculation sample. Next we have their contract. Here you can check how far you have come. It's a fab way to keep yourself updated and make a good call. You can start building your first asset contract here. Next we have their declaration. Here you can check it out the details and announcement about asset. Announcement: asset, the coin of ideology. Asset is started from zero initial supply being generated by those who want to hold them through a smart contract. All holders shall provide the valuable assets on contract creation, making asset and less value. The holder of asset are the people who are against the old world financial system. They want to jointly create the valuable assets for the new world financial system without centralization. It must be transparent, accurate, and verifiable. All holders share one common purpose by holding the asset. ACT Warriors are the people who support assets. By fighting together, they are the guaranteed of the future purchase volume of asset by allowing the smart contract lock the USDT value as by the contract for a specified period. They daily swap the USDT into assets at a value of $10 per contract until it ends. This makes the asset tangible purchase volume guaranteed by the Act Warrior, and it can be transparently verified on the blockchain system. This is a fabulous project. Next, we have their white paper. Here you can check it out, the white paper. First, we have their introduction. Decentralized finance or DeFi is a disruptive innovation having a strong impact on world banking and finance. It is a financial ecosystem on the internet where traditional products and services on centralized finance CeFi take place openly on blockchain technology in the form of decentralized application. It offers a solid solution for the bottleneck effect in numerous industries through elevating the use of digital assets and financial services and receiving support on financial transparency and accessibility. It leads to rapid growth and increasing use cases of DeFi at present. You can also check it out, their whole white paper. You must read their white paper. This is a fabulous project. Now back to the website. I hope you like the video. So if you're looking for the next big thing in crypto, keep an eye on Assets.Finance with its strong fundamental, unique feature, and high growth potential. It positioned to be a major player in the blockchain space. Don't miss out and consider joining their social media link, like their Telegram community, their Twitter account, and further social platforms. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates on exciting crypto projects. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.